Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog.
10 seconds. Stabilizing. Hibernation activated.
So, how's the day going? Hopefully it's going nice, and today's vlog is going to be fun and full enjoyable. Yeah, so you can see that. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Okay, I'm just telling it to everybody. I don't know whether mother is watching my video. My mom will watch, that's all. Sometimes that too. Fine. Now what I was doing is, yesterday I went and bought these chocolates, 90% bitter chocolate, and it is so damn bitter. I've eaten it before, but I'm like, chalta. I thought at least a 10% would be sweet, but this is totally bitter, very hopeless. I can't eat this. I don't know how people eat it. So I got it now. I can't waste it. I got another chocolate, the white one, Amul ka, because tomorrow is my birthday. But that is not for my birthday, that is just to eat. Randomly, there was nothing to eat, so I got it. So my idea is I'll melt the whole chocolate and add sugar to it. I tried adding sugar, it did not sweeten, so I tried out another idea. Is this possible, mister? Still more. I'm melting sugar. Let me add a bit more sugar into it. Sorry for one hand handling and light ka mistake. Little more. Mr. Bean का sound copyright आ जाएगा. देख साले. Copyright आ गया तो क्या करेगा? Fine. Let it also get heated and we'll melt it and put it in this melted chocolate and then enjoy the chocolate, because we spent 120 rupees on that. And few people might think 120 rupees is a big deal. Yeah bro, money is money. You can't tell 120 rupees is less, am I right? Few people are there who don't have money. I'm just telling. They don't have money, but they'll act as if they have too much money. In the sense, they don't have money. They'll have somewhat 100, 200 rupees. As of my friends, there are few, let me tell, they're big liars. They won't tell they have more money, but if I tell something, they'll be like, that's Salah. I will this much big chocolate, 100 bucks. That's Salah. Don't keep that attitude and ego in your mind. That is not good. I have right now, I'm not flexing or something, I have 4K in my wallet now. And for me, this 100 bucks is so much. So please understand, okay? Money is worth too much. And that 4K is not earned by me also, neither. So hopefully we learn on YouTube later. Please, 4,000 hours watch time. I want that, so please do it. A mistake inside this, and this bowl is starting to melt because I did not add a proper amount of water into it. So put it on a steel vessel. Hopefully it will get fine. So as few people ask me how I am shooting. I'm shooting on my phone now on Gcam, because in OnePlus 60, I don't know about OnePlus 60, in all phones OnePlus, dynamic range in front video is damn less. Like, it'll be like this. So if I keep it so far also, it'll be like this. So if you keep it so far, then it will be like this. So that's why I'm using Gcam on this, so that it will be more better. On that, the dynamic range is more. So let's click the thumbnail. Just kidding. That is the thumbnail. So the chocolate has started to melt, and the chocolate is in the microwave. And look at that guy, is always into watching TV and mobile. So guys, I'm so excited that tomorrow is my birthday. I don't know why it's so exciting, because it comes once in a year. Yes! This birthday is the only birthday after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Means without school. My schooling is over. So guys, look at the consistency of the melting point. Like, look at this. That is so damn creamy, no? Yes. That's our total. Yes, I converted this to a steel bowl because I don't want it to melt. This is super hot. So far, so good. So guys, right now I need to go take bath. Let me take the towel. If you want to watch one of the Ghatiya vloggers, you can go check Gaurav's one out. Ghatiya number 1. Nikal, one of the hopeless YouTubers. There's a tip about him, a secret, let me tell you. He has 2 million plus subs. He's second highest vlogger in India. More than Flying Beast, less than Mumbai Ka Nikhil. But never ever YouTube has called him to fan fest, nor to anything. There's no fest that he has gone till now. A big shame. Guys, we were having some bread toast. Mine is over. My brother is still eating, watching Super Sindhi. Go check their video out. Really nice. Link could be in the description. Free promotion. Just kidding. Go check out Super Sindhi. I'm feeling very hungry now. It's around 4 and I'm like, there's food left out and I don't want to eat food. I want some snacks. I'm seeing whether there's some potato so that I could do fries. Like they are the easiest dishes and like there's just one potato left. Sorry for the lighting. I don't know what to eat. I'm super hungry. But he's cleaning the vessels, so he cleaned all these vessels now and he's cleaning inside and stuff. So I decided to make fried rice. Rice was there, I cut the veggies and this is there. And I have also fried rice ka yeah, here's one. So let's do. So guys, guess the color. Yes, guess the color now. The Indian tri-flag. Salute. So guys, the fried rice is almost ready. Not almost, it's ready. Still sitting in my room, no other job, nothing else. Excited, tomorrow is my birthday. And this fellow, I'm showing him a lot because I don't have content. Content is king. So guys, my brother is very happy. Let us ask him why.
Why? Because I fixed a problem.
What problem?
Our PS3 is working.
Yeah, so officially GTA was not working from so many days and we were like GTA and today it started to work. My brother,
it's lucky because there are fishes over here. Before it...
No, that is what he thinks. Like, that is a random thing which I don't believe. First things first, he clicked it on randomly. It was coming blank from many days. I told him, why are you like... Yeah, it's still installing. Why are you wasting time and stuff? He was like, let's try. He tried. It started working. So guys, so this will start. Then we can spend much time. It will be easier spending the whole day playing this. We were just playing COD and I am on Master now. Tomorrow is my birthday.
I'm a pro.
Yeah, he's on Pro. I'm Master next to him, higher than him. So yeah, this will be done and today night I should finish editing because tomorrow I should start a new vlog. So if you've enjoyed this short and simple and sweet vlog, yeah, I had my dinner. If you enjoyed this short and sweet and small vlog for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.
And tomorrow
Until
is
then,
a special
see
day.
you. Take care. Bye bye.
Light work with the bass on the track, on my feet to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man swirl around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash cause the vibes in the track.